All right, mateys, tonight we're gonna make a grilled lemon and rosemary chicken. We marinate it for a few hours, go out and grill it. Here's all we're gonna need to put it together. So here's all we're really gonna need: a little bit of lemon juice, a few cloves of garlic, and if you have fresh rosemary, all the better. But this is rosemary that I had from last year that I dehydrated. About a 1/4 cup of olive oil or canola oil, salt, pepper, and then our chicken. Now, the chicken breast that we normally buy is an irregular size. So what we need to do with that, you see I've got kind of a small piece here. This is a bigger, thick piece. Is I'm just going to cut this so that it all cooks a little bit more evenly. We're going to mix all of our ingredients together here. Pour it into this bag with the chicken. Marinate it for a few hours, and then we're going to go up and grill. So we put our oil in. I run the garlic through the press. And just in case you're wondering, where did I get these cute little cups? I made them out of an oyster shell and some epoxy. Kind of cute, I think. A little bit of salt. Ooh, I'm almost out of salt. And I probably should have ground pepper, but this is what I have on board, so that's what we're using. Our lemon juice. Stir it all up. Pour it into our bag and refrigerate for a few hours. I'll meet you back out at the grill. Hey, you know what, guys? I was so excited about this recipe. Look, I forgot to put the rosemary in. All right. You know, it happens to us once in a while. Well, all right, guys, it's been a couple hours now. Gonna get ready to grill the chicken. I'm gonna take it out of the bag, just put it in a bowl. I'm gonna switch the camera around here for you to see. It's starting to get a little rough out on the bay. Now, not that rough water on the bay has anything to do with cooking, I just thought I would show you. And so I've turned the grill down a little bit here. We're about 375 degrees, almost 400. Perfect temperature. Here's our chicken. This is going to make nice grill marks too. And then after I get this put on there, I'm going to rinse all this off with soapy water. And we're going to let that sit and cook a little bit, come back, flip it over once. The other thing we want to do or don't want to do is keep lifting the lid up and down. We're going to leave that down You can see the temperature went a little below 300 here. We're going to let that come back up. Cook it on this side for about 3.5 to maybe a little over 4 minutes. All right, the wind's playing a little havoc with the fire right now, but you can see this is starting to come out nice here. Close the lid, another 4.5 minutes. We should be good. All right, guys, I think we're about done now. This has been going for another 5 minutes. Let's see where we are. Oh yeah, this looks good. All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. And with this, I'm going to serve a pasta salad, and we had some grilled zucchini left from the night before. So until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. And bon appetit.